Got these guys backing us up.
This is one of the songs we did. I'm sure none of you have ever heard it, but you're going to hear it now, by golly. There's nothing more exciting than a sparkle of chrome, like on the beat band with the clear glass dome. And there's a place downtown where you can hear a rock. You can browse all night and really have a ball at the custom car show. It's a custom car show. Can't think of any other place that I would rather be than a custom car show. If the movies and the disco goodies at the custom car show. Well, you walk through the door and you look at the floor. There's chocos and dofies all over the floor. The band was just playing up on the stand. They were the best band in the land. They were playing at the custom car show. It's a custom car show. Can't think of any other place that I would rather be than the custom car show. You see the disco goodies and the surfing hoodies at the custom car show. A guitar well is a rhythm trail. The drum was really thumping and the kids are all stomping. Sure, ready to go. Everybody here, the custom car show. Yeah, it's a custom car show. Can't think of any other place that I would rather be than the custom car show. There's a big boss band at the custom car show. Here we go. The drum was really thumping, the keys are really stomping. Everybody here, well, they're ready to go. I'm sure glad that I came to this rock and roll custom car show. Yeah, well, it's a custom car show. Yeah, 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 the custom car show. Yeah, well, it's a custom car show. More exciting than a sparkle of chrome, like on the beat band with the clear glass dome. And there's a place downtown where you can hear a rock. You can browse all night and really have a ball at the custom car show. It's a custom car show. Can't think of any other place that I would rather be than a custom car show. If the movies and the disco goodies at the custom car show. Well, you walk through the door and you look at the floor. There's chocos and dofies all over the floor. The band was just playing up on the stand. They were the best band in the land. They were playing at the custom car show. Yeah, it's a custom car show. Can't think of any other place that I would rather be than the custom car show. You see the disco goodies and the surfing hoodies at the custom car show. A guitar well is a rhythm trail. The drum was really thumping and the kids are all stomping. I'm sure they're ready to go. Everybody here, at the custom car show. It's a custom car show. Can't think of any other place that I would rather be than the custom car show. There's a big boss band at the custom car show. Here we go. The drum was really thumping, the keys are really stomping. Everybody here where they're ready to go. I'm sure glad that I came to this rock and roll custom car show. Yeah, well, it's a custom car show. Yeah, 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 the custom car show. Yeah, well, it's a custom car show.
This is the first song I ever wrote.
Surfer girl, surfer girl, surfer girl. We could ride, surf together. I love you, girl. In my wood here, I would take you everywhere I go. So I say from me to you, I will make your dreams come true. Do you love me? Do you serve? Girl, surfer girl, my little surfer girl. Girl, surfer girl, my little surfer girl. Girl, surfer girl, my little surfer girl.
I got tons of
I got a lot of friends around the town that are always blue. 'Cause on a Saturday night, well, there ain't never nothing to do. They usually end up jumping in our cars, heading down the street in the parking lot. Oh, yeah. Kids don't know that the cruising is a thing to do. Saturday night when there ain't never nothing to do. We'll drop our change in a piggy bank. Use a car with the gas in the tank. I don't care where that road will go. Looking out the window at the show. Another flight around the bend. I can't wait to see the end, and then it starts all over again. Yeah. Cruising round now, cruising round, cruising round now, cruising round, cruising round now, cruising round.
This is one of the rare special occasions when we perform this song. I will not allow this song as a rule in general, but this is a special occasion. We'll all sing along and it'll be fine. We'll get through it together. Featuring Mr. Gary Griffin
on the keyboard,
co-star of Full House. When some loud bragger tries to push me
So be true to your school, just like you would to your curly guys. So be true to your school, don't let your colors fly. Be true to your school. I got a little sweater with a letter in front. I got for football and track. I'm proud to wear it now when I cruise around the other parts of the town. I got my $2 bag and the true to your school, just like you would to your girly guys. Be true to your school, don't let your colors fly. Be true to your school. On Friday we'll be jacked up at the football game and we'll be ready to fight. We're gonna smash them now, my girl will be working on her pom-poms now, and she'll be yelling tonight. Be true to your school, just like you would to your curly guys. Be true to your school, and let your colors fly. Be true to your school. Do you